Oh, there we go. Drake coming in with 100 gifted subs. Let's go. Yo, Drake just gave me 100 gifted subs. He did it. He did it.
Okay.
Drake, yo, shout out to Drake. You guys know Drake. I said shout out to Drake. No, not shut up. Shout out to Drake. Drake, he's a rapper. He just gave me 100 gifted subs. What? What am I doing? I was just waiting for. I'm sorry, there's a train going by. I was waiting for Drake to give me 100 subs. Oh, sorry. Okay, sorry. I'm just excited. Yeah, excited. Sorry.
I'm excited to do it.
Okay, thank you. I love you. Thank you.